Hi, I'm Karen. Welcome to my channel. This is where I share my experiences using cruelty-free skincare and makeup on mature skin. Today, I'm going to be unboxing my August Petit Vour box. Before I do that, I want to show you what was in my July box and tell you what I thought of these products. Let's get started. I've got my July box here and the card that came with it. It tells me about each of the products. The first thing here is the Antonym Cosmetics Natural Waterproof Eye Pencil. This retails for $19. This one says that it's smudge proof, highly pigmented, certified natural, and long wearing. I was really excited to receive this product because I wear eye pencils every day, but I was so disappointed with this one. It smudged horribly on me. It is not waterproof. It is not long lasting. It smudged after just a couple of hours of wear. It was gone. It was completely smudged off. Under my eyes, raccoon eyes, I had to wipe it away several times. It was, it was a mess. I have not had an eye pencil smear on me this bad since I was in my late 20s. I had really oily eyelids and oily skin, and I wore cheap drugstore eyeliners. I haven't had anything do this on me since those days. I still have oily skin, but not nearly what it was then. I don't have oily eyelids anymore. The skin around my eyes is, if anything, it's dry. So I don't know why this smudged the way it did, but it did. This was a complete fail for me. The next thing in the July box was this. This is from Kindred Beauty. This is the La Femme body oil, and this retails for $20. Now, this is something that I loved. I love body oils anyway, but this one was really a nice one. And I want to tell you a little bit about this brand, Kindred Beauty, because I was really impressed by them too. This product is organic, it's hand batched, it's essential oil based, and it's made in the US. And this is pet friendly. So if you are like me and you have pets that like to lick your lotions and oils off, this was made so that it would be safe for them. And I really appreciate that. This is vegan. It's made with beautiful oils. It has shea oil, almond oil, coconut oil, plum kernel oil, mongongo oil, spinach seed oil, mustard seed oil, rose geranium oil, lavender oil, bergamot mint oil, and it has some mineral powder for just a little bit of shimmer on your skin. This is a very lightweight oil. It sinks in beautifully. The scent is a floral that I don't really love, but it's very light, very soft, very subtle. And once I put my coconut body butter with it, I can't even smell this anymore. So that's fine. That's not an issue. I've used this quite a bit. Body oils go a long way, so you can see that I've made a bit of a dent in this little bottle, and I really have enjoyed this. It's not too heavy for summer. It's not greasy at all. It is just very light and feels wonderful on your skin. Happy to have this and to have discovered this brand. The next thing that was in my July box is this. This is from Blissoma, and this is the Photonic Facial Sunscreen and Moisturizer. This retails for $17.50. It says, this clean moisturizer spreads on like a dream and leaves a flawless finish on skin while providing SPF 25 broad spectrum UVA, UVB protection. This one has red algae extract in it, which is a beautiful antioxidant. It's made with sesame seed, red raspberry seed, and blackberry seed oils. This one's very light on the skin. It has a non-nano zinc oxide as its sunscreen, and that's a mineral sunscreen, which I appreciate because that's all I like to use. This one felt very light on my skin. There was no white cast at all, and it didn't clog my pores like some sunscreens can do. This was a very nice one. I enjoy having this in my collection. I've only used it a couple of times because I have other sunscreens open, and sunscreens do expire once you open them. So I want to use some of the ones that are a little older than this one, but I have enjoyed testing this one out. And then the last thing in my July box was these two little guys. I think I was only supposed to get one of these, but I got two. These are from URSA Major. These are the Bright and Easy Flash Mask. I have used this probably 3 or 4 times and I've really enjoyed it. I'm going to read some of the ingredients to you. This has pomegranate, enzymes, alfalfa, hibiscus, pineapple, aspen bark. Those are all gentle exfoliants. It also has sodium hyaluronate, which is a very effective form of hyaluronic acid. This is made to be gentle. It rinses clean. The gel feels good on my skin. I don't like to use an exfoliating mask that is strong, that has really harsh actives in it, because I already use a daily exfoliant, my Paula's Choice BHA liquid exfoliant. So I don't want anything that has a lot of heavy duty AHAs and BHAs in it, but this one doesn't. This one has some gentle exfoliants plus some humectant, and it just felt really good on my skin. I did feel like my skin was glowier after I used it. I can manage a 3-minute mask. I think I used this one 3 times. I don't know if you can see how much is left in there, but I have at least 1, possibly 2 more uses out of this one. Then I have this other one, so I'm really enjoying having this. That was it for my July box. As far as the value goes, Petit Vour says the value of this box was $68.50. I'm going to tell you what my value was. Nothing for this. This one they say has a $20 value, and this does have some beautiful ingredients, so I think that this is worth $20. The sunscreen, I know Blissoma is an expensive brand. This sells for $17.50 for this bottle. I can accept that. And then the flash masks are supposed to be worth $12, which I don't know if I would consider them to be worth $12 for one, but I got 2, so this is definitely worth $12 to me. I know this is a great brand. URSA Major makes beautiful clean beauty products, so I can see this selling for $12. So the value for me on that box was, taking off the eyeliner, $49, $49.50. And for an $18 box, I think that's pretty darn good. Okay, now let's see what I got in my August box. I have cut away the tape on this box, as I always do, but I have not opened this box at all, and I have not watched any unboxing videos for the August box. So this is going to be a complete surprise today, which is a lot of fun. Okay. Here's the card with all the products listed. It's pretty. Looks like a fall card with a fruit harvest on it. Let's see what's in here. This first product is Harvest Natural Beauty Lengthening Organic Mascara, and this retails for $18. It says, free from artificial colors and fragrances, this smudge-proof, water-resistant mascara lengthens and thickens lashes. I'm always on the hunt for a good mascara. I am really trying to use more gentle ingredients around my eyes, more eye-safe products that are made for sensitive eyes, so I can appreciate this one. I am, however, very picky about my mascara, and I've never heard of this brand. That doesn't mean that it's not a good mascara. It's just, we'll see. I'm happy to try it. I'm always happy to try any new mascara. Let's see what's next. This is from Akar. Now, we've gotten a few things from Akar in different boxes. What's this one? This is the Balance Toning Mist, and this retails for $15. It says, spritz to provide gentle hydration, neutralize pH, and increase the absorption of nutrients with this fine, non-sticky mist of rose and orange blossom. That sounds good. Let's see what... Okay, it looks like the other Akar bottles I've seen. Now, let's see what it smells like. Give it the scent test. It smells really nice. Okay, it feels really refreshing on my skin. Smells good. I'll read up on the ingredients and give it a nice test so I can report back next month on what I think of it. But so far, first impressions, I like it. This next one is from NYC. It's called Tough Love. I don't know what it is. Let's see. Here's a little, it's in a tin, a little tin here. Says this retails for $12. This cuticle balm contains hydrating neem oil and works to improve elasticity for rough skin, feet, elbows, and cuticles that need some extra love. Okay, I am all about this. I've been using actually another product that came in a Petit Vour box that was meant to be a lip and hand balm, was in a tin almost identical to this, and I use it on my cuticles. And it's running really low, so I'm happy to get a replacement for it. This one seems a little thinner, but still feels very nourishing on my cuticles and nails. My nails have been a mess. They have been an absolute wreck. I've neglected them quite a bit over the last few weeks. I was doing really well using my oils and making sure that I kept my cuticles pushed back, and then I went through a little busy time there and work got kind of crazy for a while, and I just didn't focus on my self-care, and my cuticles suffered for it. But we're going to get them back in shape, and this is going to help. I can tell already. I like this one right from the start. Okay, one more product in this box. This one is from Angelo Naturals. This is the Kahini Cocoa Nourishing Body Butter. This retails for $3. It says this luxurious body butter blends argan oil with shea and cocoa butters to nourish, soothe, and soften the appearance of dry skin. I love body butters. My holy grail is my Trader Joe's coconut body butter. I doubt if this is going to compete with that, but I can still use other products and still love my holy grails. I'm not someone who thinks that I can't try anything else just because they're not my absolute favorite love. If I felt that way, I wouldn't be doing subscription boxes, right? Trying new things. This has a nice scent, and it does feel nourishing on my skin and not too heavy. First impression is I think I'm going to like this one. I've used products from every one of these brands in here. Oh wait, there's something else. I missed one. What is this? Oh, this is, I totally skipped over this one. This is the Kahini Giving Beauty Oil Cleanser. This retails for $10. It says dissolve sunscreen and makeup with this blue tansy infused oil cleanser that leaves skin soft, clean, and without residue. Okay. I'm excited about this, probably more than anything else in this box, because I've been looking for a new oil cleanser. I love blue tansy products, and I want something that's going to dissolve that. Sunscreen and makeup as my first step at night, but doesn't leave residue, because that seems to be a problem I have with a lot of cleansers I've been trying lately, is that they leave a little bit of residue, which I don't like. So I hope this one does everything it says it's going to do. This was a good box, y'all. I'm happy. That's it. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. Just hit the subscribe button down below. Ring the notification bell next to that so that you'll know when I post new videos. Bye for now.